Hello everyone, my name is Palak Nanawat. I am a student of MBA in Torrens University, Australia. Today I am going to deliver a presentation on the topic effective business communication. So let's have a look. In business communication, I will like to talk about communication. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one person, place or group to another. Also in business communication, it is the procedure of sharing information between the employees, companies, and in this the one person exchanges some comprehensible data to another person. It also enables the employees and management to interact with one another to reach the organizational objectives or goals. So moving to the next slide, we have different types of communications. Mainly there are only 4 types of communication. The first one is internal upward. Internal upward is anything that comes from a subordinate to a manager. The second type is internal downward. Internal downward is anything that comes from someone of a power or a superior to a subordinate. The third type is internal or lateral. And internal lateral, it is talking, messaging and any communication that may occur between the co-workers. And the fourth and final type is external communication. External communication is any communication that may leave the office. It is the transmission of information between two organizations. Moving to the next slide, we have principles of effective communication. There are so many principles of effective communication, but we have the first one is simplify. We must make our thoughts easy to understand and easy for others to understand ourselves. Second one is analyze the intent. Pay attention to the messages we are going to deliver in front of others, that is whether it is wrong or right. The third one is preparation. We have to prepare ourselves before delivering it to others. Fourth one is seek. Seek not only to be understood but also to understand. Moving to next slide, we have communication skills. The skills we use in expressing ourselves to others is called communication skills. There are so many type of communication skills, but the main and major skills are listening, writing and speaking. Speaking is further divided into two types or two categories, that is formal and informal. So if we talk about listening skill or listening communication skill, we have to listen to each and everyone who is delivering something in front of us so that we can get the content they are delivering. Second is writing. We can express ourselves either by writing or speaking. These are communication skills. Next up is importance of effective communication in business. Why it is important in business? So the first one is employee productivity. It will increase the productivity of employees. Second one is it will create a pleasant atmosphere in the workplace. Customer satisfaction. The customers will satisfy with our business as well as our communication skills. Fourth one is positive reputation. We will build a positive reputation in front of other companies as well as in front of our customers. And the last one is we will get new opportunities, new business opportunities to flourish our business. So next is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is for everyone. You can instantly go from group chat to video call with a single touch. Second one is it helps to connect, access and share files in real time with no time. Third one is it will make you stay organized by keeping notes, documents and calendar together. Also we can say that Microsoft Teams is a chat-based participation platform complete with sharing of document, online meetings and many more extremely useful features for business communications. Okay, so next slide, some key features of Microsoft Teams are given, that is chat, collaborate, meetings, calling. We can simply chat with others. We can conduct a meeting or collaborate different participants, make a meeting hall as well as calling. Role of technology plays a vital role in a business communication as it is widely spread throughout the world. No work is done without technology as it is not a time consuming process. We can do file sharing, email, instant messaging, video conferencing, dashboard, automated services, and so on, only by using technology. Also, we are seeing VoIP in the picture. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. It converts your voice into digital signal that travel over the internet. So in the next slide, we are left only with the conclusion. In conclusion, it can be said that communication acts as a building block in business. Effective communication allows us to be confident in facing challenges, adopting new innovative ideas, etc. Also, the impact and use of technology is increasing and is unignorable as it improves customer relations, provides security, and is eco-friendly. Chat-oriented mediums like the Microsoft Teams and others have been learned, which is very useful both for the present and future. And in the next slide, I would like to thank you all for listening me. Also, if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me. I will try to answer your questions efficiently.